All right, here we go, people. Hold on. Shut up.
Oh,
120. Not bad. Fill in the gaps in the rings. Probably go
Oh
160.
yeah.
The long boy. You know why? 6 inches long. Longer pulls. Would have loved to see one. All right, here we go, guys. Oh, shit. I hit the button. God damn it. Wait a minute. That can't be. Call 911, all right? If I black out and fall to the ground, 911. Sorry? I think I hit the button while I was pulling last time. Didn't you hear a little... All right, decrease or increase volume, decrease PSI. PSI. So I got to go pass out.